and welcome back to Research Circle. The topic for today's discussion is 30 unsolved problems in biology, or rather, you will say list of unsolved problem in biology. So, in this particular video, we are going to discuss some of the most unsolved problems in the biology. The purpose of this video is after looking at these 30 unsolved problems, you can uh, take your decision or you can choose one of the topic for your research area. So let's get quickly to these topics. Now the first is evolution and the origin of the life. Now under this there are various topics like origin of the life, exactly how and when did the life on the earth originate, which if any of the many hypotheses is correct, what are the metabolic pathways used by the earliest life, and so on. Origin of viruses, exactly how and when did different groups of viruses originate, which can be the topic. Then extraterrestrial life, then definition of life, then development and evolution of brain. So these are some general biology topics under evolution and origin of life. Let's get quickly to the next topic, like biochemistry and cell biology. Like what do all the unknown potential do? This can be the topic determinants of the cell size. Then Golgi apparatus. This can be the topic mechanism of action of drug, protein folding. Then biosynthesis. These are all unsolved problems under biochemistry and cell biology. The next one is human biology. Under this, there are various topics like general aesthetic, like neuroscience and cognition, like neural computation, psychiatric diseases. This can be the topics under human biology. The next one is cognition and psychology. Under this, various topics can be discussed like computational neuroscience, computational theory of mind, learning and memory, like NUCSIS, the emergence and evolution of intelligence. This is also one of the various very interesting topic. Then the next one is non-human biology, like ecology, evolution and paleontology, paradox of plankton, Cambrian explosion, latitudinal diversity gradient, adult from perspective. This can be the topics. Then ethology is one of the emerging topic or unsolved topic under biology. Homing, flocking behavior, butterfly migration, gall wasp. Also non-human organ and biomolecules. These are the unsolved problems. Alkaloids like acria, like lucifer, glycogen body and glycogen body. So behind this particular video, we are trying to inform you about all the unsolved problems. This is not the only problems. There are various problems other than this. So you can just check out the list on Google that how many unsolved problems are there in biology, and you can choose if you're a biology if you are a biology student or a biology academician, you can just look into that list and choose a topic. So it will help you for completion of your academic targets, and also it will help you in your research journey. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope the purpose behind this particular video will be fulfilled, and do not forget to subscribe to Research Circle channel, and take care of yourself. Thank you so much.